Hey, I've got two 252 Vermeer stump grinders for sale. These machines are got a little age on them, but they've been well kept. As you see, the tires are good. They have green teeth on them. This particular machine is going to need some jack shaft bearings. They're not very expensive and they're not very hard to change. I'm going to show you this thing fire up and how you can maneuver this stump grinder. I haven't started it today, so it's a little cold. These little machines will go places that no other machines will go. They have a pin in the axle. Pull that pin out and twist it. You unlock that one side of the axle. When you do that, you'll be able to turn super sharp. I have two of these machines. This one that we were just running is a Kohler 25 horsepower. This engine is fairly new. It replaced the older motor. It doesn't have very much time on it. I have all the maintenance records on it. Here's the hours on this one, and I also have another 252 with the trailer. And it also has the dual wheel kit. They do not have tires on them, but I do have the rims for it to put dual wheels on it. It has the custom trailer. This machine here is actually a 27 horse, I'm sorry. And here's the hours on it. That should be all original hours on it. Inside these compartments is your fuel tank, your hydraulic tank, and your battery, and then all your controls and hoses. This machine has a computer built in it, just like the other one, that has the auto swing, so it will only let it swing super slow. Once you get used to it, I have that disconnected so that I can swing a little faster and cut stumps a little faster. Both of these machines will work. Both of these machines will come with sharp green teeth 700 series reds, which they are on it now, but the ones that are on it are kind of dull. And like I say, these jack shaft bearings are going to be need to be changed soon. The seals are about to go on in those. But anyway, that's the deal on these two. If you're interested, give me a call at 334-300-2332. Thank you.